Let's make a YouTube channel today. Let's go. First, make a strong Gmail. It's only for your channel, not for other uses. Use first and last names. Make sure you put the correct date of birth. Most of the people ignore it, but it is very important. Click on Make a Gmail instead. Choose your Gmail. Now set a strong password. Now add a recovery email. I am ignoring it because I make this to just show you how it works, but please do not ignore it. It will help you to recover your Gmail access if you lose it. Here you go. Your Gmail has been created. Now make a YouTube channel. Click on the Create Channel. Add your channel name. Congratulations, your channel has been created too. Welcome to YouTube Studio. In this section, you can customize your channel profile to make it look more professional and easier to find. Here, you can edit your channel name. This is how your viewers will recognize you across YouTube. Next, you can set or update your YouTube handle. Handles are unique, like a username, and help people easily find your channel or tag you in comments and posts. You can also add a short description to tell viewers what your channel is about. Be sure to write something clear, catchy, and related to your content. It will appear in the About section and help your channel get discovered in search results. Once you're done editing, click Publish to save your changes. Full links, like your website, Instagram, or any social media pages. These links will appear on your channel banner and in your About section, helping viewers connect with you easily. Next, include your business email. This makes it simple for brands or collaborators to reach out for sponsorships or partnerships. Finally, don't forget to upload the video watermark. It's a small logo that appears on the corner of your videos and helps viewers recognize your brand while also encouraging them to subscribe. These small steps can make a big difference in building your channel's identity and growing your audience. Let's set up your YouTube Studio step by step. First, open your channel dashboard and click Settings on the left side. Under General, choose your preferred currency like US dollar, euro, or your local one. Once selected, hit Save. Now your YouTube revenue will always show in your local currency. Next, go to Channel Basic Info. Here, select your country of residence, for example, Belarus, India, or any country you're based in. This helps YouTube recommend your videos to the right regional audience. Then, add your channel keywords, for example, education, online learning, tutorial, tips and tricks. These keywords help YouTube understand your content and improve your reach. After that, press Save. Now move to the Advanced Settings tab. You'll see the audience options here. If your videos are for general viewers, select No. Set this channel as not made for kids. This allows all audiences to watch your videos and helps with reach and monetization. Next, click the Feature Eligibility tab. You'll find 3 levels: Standard, Intermediate, and Advanced features. Standard features are enabled by default. To unlock intermediate and advanced features like custom thumbnails, long videos, and live streaming, verify your channel using your phone number. Once verified, all features become active. Now head to Upload Defaults Advanced Settings. Enable automatic chapters so YouTube can add chapters to your videos. Keep the license as standard YouTube license. Then choose your category, like education or entertainment, and set your video language, for example, English, UK, or English, India. Next, open the Permissions tab. You'll see your Gmail under the Owner section. If you have team members, invite them here to help manage uploads or comments. Under Community Moderation, you can manage comments. Add blocked words to hide unwanted messages and check the box hold comments with hashtags and URLs to prevent spam links. Then click on Agreements. This section reminds you that using YouTube means following the official terms of service. Make sure to read them once. After that, go to Customization. Here, you can design your channel homepage, add profile photo, banner, and featured sections to make your channel look professional. Finally, go to the Earn tab to check your monetization eligibility. You'll need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you reach any of these, the Apply button will activate. Below that, you'll find YouTube Creator Support and Copyright Match tool, helpful once you start monetizing your channel. Click Get Notified to receive alerts when your channel becomes eligible. And that's it! You've just completed the full YouTube Studio setup, from currency and keywords to eligibility and monetization. Keep uploading, stay consistent, and your channel will grow faster than ever.